In this video, I will show you how to easily rename and retitle your media files after upload. So search this plugin, install this one, and activate. After activation, walk cursor to settings and here click on this plugin. Check to processing revisions, uncheck to avoid processing revisions. There are some more options. Add constant values to the beginning and end of the file name. This value will be added automatically to each renamed file. So file name header and file name trailer. Then save changes. So this is the way, guys, you can rename or retitle your media file in WordPress. Thanks for watching.